Hello mga ka-code! Here's another episode of my life as a computer engineering student. But this time, let's be real. Hi! So what problem we'll talk about today? Hi! I know mabigat, pero kailangan. So, habang pinapakita ko sa inyo yung productive day ko, kasi we always talk about decks, projects, deadlines, pero bihira nating ipakita yung mga behind the scenes.
Sir, set.
Ano ba? Kaya mga dito nakaposto.
Light, sabi mo ay, nakakapit na tayo sa phone. Pero ang tissue. Uy, nangyayari na kayo sa ano nyo? Sa project
Malapit
nyo?
na. Pero okay din naman.
Yung sa ano, yung kayo sa Ryan. Sa website. Tapos na?
Malapit na din naman. Pero konti na lang. So,
Yung kayo sa Ryan.
Ang ironic, 'di ba? We build smart systems, pero we can't tell when our own system is failing. Sabi nila, computer engineering is for resilient. Pero what if you're only pretending to be? What if mental health became as prioritized as deadlines? What if may option to pause? Hindi lang sa code, kundi sa sarili. Hindi lang mas gaganda ang projects, mas tatagal tayo.
sasakyan. Ano ba yun? Max Mount. Sasakyan.
Mas magiging tao tayo, hindi lang makina. Minsan kailangan mo lang ng isang simpleng tool. Isang kausap, o lakas ng loob to say, I'm not okay, and that's okay.
Ayan na naman tayo. Lahat na lang ako. Hindi ba pwedeng pagod din ako?
Pagod ka? Lahat tayo pagod. Pati si Banya halos hindi na natutulog. Nakikita mo ba yung mukha niya? Para ng multo.
Bakit? Gusto mo bang uminto siya sa pag-aaral? Ginawa niya yun para sa sarili niya. Para makapagtapos siya.
Hindi. Gusto ko lang naman maramdaman niyang hindi siya robot dito. Na pwede siyang huminga.
Ginawa ko naman ang lahat ah. Kahit marami akong ginagawa sa labas.
At habang nasa labas ka, nasisira na siya sa loob. Pero bulag
So,
ka.
ako na naman? Di ba pwedeng ikaw?
Uy, Vanya. Kaya tayo gawa ng project. Hearing na ba yung sa isang
Hindi ko sinasabing ikaw lang.
Or tayo man lang
Pero
dalawa?
sana, minsan pakinggan mo siya.
Uy,
Hindi yung puro
ano naman?
expectations mo.
Tagal-tagal. Konti-konti lang naman, Neri.
Alam mo yung nakakatawa? Ang dami kong alam. I can debug code, trace errors, optimize performance. Pero hindi ko alam kung paano ayusin yung sarili ko. Lagi nilang sinasabi, you are the smart ones. Pero what if I'm just good at pretending? Every day, I wear this mask. I love, I present, I deliver. Pero gabi-gabi, I feel like I'm crashing quietly. Hindi ako tamad, hindi rin naman ako mahina. Pagod lang talaga ako. At minsan, gusto ko lang sabihin na sabihin yun ng walang guilt. Pero sino bang may time na mag-breakdown, diba? May exam bukas, may project next week, may self-worth na nakabase sa GPA. What if I'm not okay? And what if it has to be okay?
I used to think strength meant never breaking. Nakaya ko lahat, projects, deadlines, expectations, kahit gulo sa bahay, basta wag lang bumitaw. Pero natutunan ko, strength isn't about hiding the cracks. It's about having the courage to say, hindi ko na kaya. Instead, choosing to show up. Kahit umiyak, kahit pagod, kahit hindi na okay. Because healing isn't a sudden reboot. It's slow. Line by line, day by day, and now I'm learning to be kind to myself. Not perfect, just human. And that's enough. Because in every frame, in every second, there's a memory, a meaning. And even in the moments I wanted to delete, I found pieces of who I truly am. I call myself a bit mask, a veil of ones and zeros, a binary curtain that tells the system, don't look here, this part is not for you. In code, it's elegant, logical, predictable. You and it, and some truths disappear. You or it, and you let sunlight through. But what they don't teach in class is that we use Bitmas too. Not just on bytes, but on ourselves. We mask the sadness with a smile. We mask the burnout with kaya pa. We mask the fear with I'm fine, even when we're not. We debug code line by line, but never dare to debug our own hearts. We isolate bits to protect the systems. We isolate feelings to protect our image. Because in a world that celebrates the flawless function, who wants to be the syntax error? But hear me now. Bit mask can be reversed. The truth is never really gone. Just hidden. And like code, we can unmask. We can reveal. Because we are not broken machines. We are human. Glitching, yes, but still worth running.